Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I am Dr. Nandita Mohan, and here are the latest reports from the world of medicine. Are probiotics the new gold standard in managing H. pylori infections? H. pylori infection is considered one of the most common bacterial infections reported globally. Accumulating new research has estimated that it to affect nearly half of the world's population. The research has mentioned that probiotics can improve the H. pylori eradication and reduce side effects caused during this therapy. The article summarizes that supporting the potency of probiotics in managing H. pylori while exploring the mechanisms. Among the most widely investigated probiotics against H. pylori, Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium call for special attention due to their extensive beneficial effects on the host, including the promotion of gut maturation and integrity, antagonism against pathogens, and even the modulation of the immune system. Green Mediterranean diet may be protective against age-related brain atrophy. Dietary effects on age-related brain shrinkage are mainly unknown. The effect of a Mediterranean diet high in polyphenols and low in red or even processed meat on age-related brain shrinkage isn't quite investigated till date. A green Mediterranean diet, high polyphenol diet which is rich in mankai, green tea and even walnuts, and as low in red and processed meat has been demonstrated in a new study to be possibly neuroprotective for age-related brain atrophy. The study results that were published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition conclude that the positive relationship between the green Mediterranean diet and age-related neurodegeneration may be explained in part by the amount of polyphenols in plant-based food sources, which include antioxidant and even anti-inflammatory compounds. Consumption of too much giloy without prescription can be harmful. Giloy, also known as guduchi in Hindi, is a herb that helps improve digestion and boost immunity. It has heart-shaped leaves that resemble the betel leaves. And all this is quite known with the fact that it has recently been used a lot in many households for fight against COVID. All parts of the plant are used in Ayurvedic medicine. However, the stem is thought to have most beneficial compounds. During pandemic, know-it-all doctors and medical experts claimed that giloy was an immunity booster that would help fight the virus. Almost overnight, the sales of giloy rocketed and people started taking it without any medical consultation. Now, 2 years later, a study published in the Hepatology Communications, the official journal of the American Society for the Study of Liver Disease, has found that consumption of giloy without prescription and monitoring can cause damage to organs such as liver. So please be precautious. School closures led to more sleep and better quality of life for adolescents. The first wave of the COVID-19 pandemic led to the closure of all the schools nationwide from 13th March to 6th June 2020. According to multiple studies, symptoms of depression and anxiety among young people increased during this time while satisfaction and quality of life decreased. The school children were also less physically active and spent more time sitting in front of screens. But homeschooling also had a positive flip side. Thanks to sleeping longer in the morning, many teenagers reported improved health and health-related quality of life. The study authors therefore believe that school days should begin later in the morning. The early start of the school day conflicts with the natural, biologically determined sleeping habits of teenagers because they have to get up early for school. Many young people therefore suffer from chronic lack of sleep. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.